vision. And we have Alex with us today. Alright, Knob Hills, Ride 7. Got Alex from work with me. His first ride out here. Let's see how this goes. He's following me, which is probably not going to work out because he's way faster than I am. But I am definitely more familiar with somebody who's never been here before. Oh, there's a thing in the middle. But, slow down for that one. Jeez. Now you can see where people rode through this one, it was wet. So today, first time with the Max Lens mod for the GoPro 9. See how that looks. Excuse me. Thank you. Holy smokes. So much erosion since last time I was out here. Woo! A little bit slippery today. Big little drop here. I did that too slow. Wow. A month without riding will sap your stamina. Alright. Yeah. If you're gonna jump it, I just roll it because yeah. Oof. All right, loop 2. Getting a little bit more interesting. I'm so scared of everything now. Oh man. Huh. Well, I guess that part's closed. There's a loop that goes. So we'll go this way.
The easy one left?
Yeah, let's do that.
Ready?
Something I've never made it up the damn thing.
You got it.
All right, following Alex up the hill.
Lift it up, lift it up. There you go.
Yes!
Hey,
Oh man. First time.
there you go. Nice.
Thanks for the tow, man. That helped.
You ready?
Yeah, you want to go first or second?
No, you got it. You go first. What do you got?
All right, it's like a little downhill bit. So.
Oh, we're making it.
It's fun. Just go for it. Alright, we'll give this a try. See if I can get it. Yeah, do it for me. Here we go. One more behind us, yeah.
Well, let us walk here so that we can. No, we are near to the one sheepfold. I know where.
There we go. Good job, man. There we go. It's not pretty, but it works.
Tree.
Hello, buddy.
Tree tried to give you a hug at the end.
Huh?
Is that tree tried to give you a hug at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. Just go for it. Pretty much. Unless you're a chicken like me, and then you'll slow down. God dang it. Such a chicken. I mean, that's fine, and it's understandable, given that I crashed last time I was there, but still. So I really want to be able to ride that berm at full speed. Thank you.
Hang on.
I don't know what I was thinking the first time. All right, I'm gonna try it. Wish me luck.
I think it's the space.
Nope, I'm not. Nope, it's in my head. There you go. Nice.
That rock gets it.
Honestly, I came up to it and I was going fast enough.
I just having to slow down.
And it was just in my head.
You try it again? You missed it, so there's no need to go
Nut.
on the top point if you want.
For whatever, well, no, not for whatever reason, because I fell off and smashed my head.
Yeah.
That's the whatever reason, but I gotta try to get my mind back over that.
Yeah.
I think that helped though, just seeing you do it and seeing how to clear that little section. I just gotta reprogram. Yep. Whoa. So many roots today. Oh, skinny trees in a climb. It goes hard right at the top. On top of this is no joke. Come on. All right, should have pistol whip coming up. It's just like a downhill through rocks and then a left. Just go. Oh my God! Oh! I got the back end up so high there. And Panic's coming up, which is like a baby pistol whip. Yeah, this is it. Gates tail.
Okay, so right here.
Yep. You switch back there, and then another switch back to the left.
Okay.
There you go. I got that bit. I'm just going to pick up where I left off. Yes.
I like not sure this one.
They'll get out of the way. There's a little drop off there. It's not bad. Whoa! You alright?
It's
Pretty slick.
Yeah, a little sandy, sorry.
Sorry, I'm a terrible trail guide. Almost messed that up. God. All right, I think there's a like drop and then through a tree root. Yeah. To the left and then right. Oh, my legs are tired. Woo! Holy crap. Huh. All right, Alex made it up. Nope. All right. Yeah. Up ahead is that down and up that that I fell on the first time. It's right here. Yep. Whoa. All right, goat killer's coming up.
Well, switch up needs to be taken, right? After that?
Yeah, so you come through here, then you got to make this left. That's why half the time I just get messed up on this freaking corner.
Oh, it's gonna be tough with this freaking mountain.
Yeah. So it's like three. This bit, which I can sometimes get up. This bit, which
Okay. Ooh.
like the line on the right is.
Move that rock, though.
Yeah, I don't think this used to be here.
No, it shouldn't be there. That's gonna be.
Then you get up that, there's this route which you just gotta pull the front wheel up, and then after that, just a little bit of basic climbing. Easy if you're walking. Oh, bad ankle. Oh man, your back wheel just span out then.
Huh?
Back wheel just span out.
Sorry, man. That's one I'm not gonna be able to do right now.
That's good. there's yeah. On the bright side is this next little bit's kind of fun. Well, it is when it's not this rutted. Jeez. Just people that ignore the close signs. And here we are at the end. Oh, good ride.